Hi guys, welcome in my YouTube channel. Now today we will discuss in modern periodic table first 20 elements. Now look at here. This is the atomic numbers. This is the name of element. This is a symbol and those are electronic configuration and this is the valency. Now we are seeing first number is a hydrogen, symbol is H, electronic configuration 1 and valency is 1. Then second number helium, symbol He, electronic configuration 2 and valency is 2. Then 3 number, atomic number is 3, name of element lithium, symbol Li, electronic configuration 2 1, valency is 1. Then atomic number is 4, name of element beryllium, symbol Be, electronic configuration 2 2 and valency is 2. So what is meant by valency? Everyone know? An element is determined by the number of electrons present in outermost shell of its atom, that is the valence electron. Means last shell electrons, those are the valence electrons, means valency. Then atomic number 5, name of element boron, symbol B, electronic configuration 2 3, valency is 3. Then atomic number 6, name of element carbon, symbol is C, electronic configuration is 2 4, valency is 4. Then atomic number 7, name of element nitrogen, symbol is N, electronic configuration 2 5 and valency is 3. Then atomic number 8, name of element oxygen, symbol is O, electronic configuration is 2 6 and valency is 2. Then atomic number is 9, name of element fluorine, symbol is F, electronic configuration 2 7 and valency is 1. Atomic number 10, name of element neon, symbol is Ne, electronic configuration 2 8 and valency is 0. Why is valency 0? Because in between neon outermost shell there are totally 8 electrons, means orbit is completed, that's why valency is 0. Then atomic number 11, name of element sodium, symbol is Na, electronic configuration 281, valency is 1. Atomic number 12, name of element magnesium, symbol Mg, electronic configuration 281 and valency is 1. Then 12 number magnesium, symbol is Mg, electronic configuration 282, valency 2. 13 number aluminium, symbol Al, electronic configuration 283, valency is 3. Then number 14 silicon, symbol Si, electronic configuration 284 and valency is 4. Then 15 number phosphorus, symbol is P, electronic configuration 285 and valency is 3. Then 16 number sulfur, symbol S, electronic configuration 286, valency 2. 17 number chlorine, symbol Cl, electronic configuration 287 and valency is 1. 18 number argon, symbol Ar, electronic configuration 288, valency 0 because here outermost orbit is completed. 19 number potassium, symbol K, electronic configuration 2881, valency 1. Then 20 number calcium, symbol Ca, electronic configuration 2882, valency is 2. Outermost orbit there are 2 electrons present, That's why valency is 2. Now we are seeing one structure Na plus plus Cl minus. What is the atomic number of Na? Na means sodium, atomic number is 11, plus Cl minus, atomic number is 17. Cl means chlorine, gives NaCl. So we are looking structural formula. Na, this is the nucleus. In between first orbit there are 2 electrons are present. Second orbit there are 8 electrons are present, and in between third orbit there are 1 electron is present. Means Na means sodium, electronic configuration 2 at 1, and chlorine Cl, there is a chlorine, atomic number 17. We are seen in this structure, this is the nucleus is present. In between first orbit there are 2 electrons are present. Second orbit there are 8 electrons are present, and in between third orbit there are 7 electrons are present. But in this sodium structure we are looking 1 electron gives to chlorine. So that's why chlorine outermost orbit there are 2, 8, 8 electrons are present. Means sodium gives chlorine. That's why sodium takes positive charge and chlorine gives minus charge, because chlorine accepted 1 electron and sodium gives to chlorine. That's why NaCl structure is present. Plus ion and minus ion. Okay, thank you.